This is the Ring of Power exercise. Think of some positive, powerful states you would like to anchor. Some examples could be a time when you felt totally loved, a time when you felt totally powerful, a time when you really felt you could have whatever you wanted, when you felt you could have it all, a time when you felt full of energy, when you had a ton of energy, a time when you were laughing out of control, a time when you felt totally confident, a time when you felt unstoppable certainty. Pick anywhere between 1 to 5 states in total. Now, as you have picked these states, gently close your eyes and take a deep breath for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath now for 7 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do this again. Take a deep breath for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath for 7 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And exhale now for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one last time, take a deep breath for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath for 7 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And exhale for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I want you to imagine a ring of power about 2 feet in front of you as a circle, say about 1 meter in diameter. This ring has all the powerful states you want to be in. Got it? Can you remember a time when you were totally loved and cared for? Can you remember a specific time? Good. Now step into the ring of power. As you go back to that time now, float down into your body and see what you saw, hear what you heard, and really feel the feelings of being totally loved and cared for. Be there in this ring of power and feel the intensity of all these states in their maximum intensity. Excellent. Now step out of that ring of power and open your eyes. Wonderful. Now I want you to remember a time when you felt successful, validated, and extremely motivated. Can you remember a specific time? Good. Step into the ring of power. As you go back to that time now, float down into your body and see what you saw, hear what you heard, and really feel the feelings of being totally successful, validated, and extremely motivated. Be there in this ring of power and feel the intensity of all these states to their maximum intensity. Excellent. Now step out of the ring and open your eyes. So, are you celebrating Uttarayan? Alright, let's test. Step into the ring of power and let's see how you feel. Do you feel loved, cared for, successful, validated, and motivated? Wonderful. Now we're going to anchor this state and make it stronger. Place your hand out in front of you. Now gently close your eyes. And I want you to imagine now that the ring on the ground produces another ring above it that is now lifting up towards you while the first ring stays on the ground. Yes, I want you to imagine now that the ring on the ground produces another ring above it that is now lifting up towards you while the first ring stays on the ground. See this second ring as it rises up gradually to shrink to the size of an actual ring as it comes towards your index finger. Imagine this extra ring of power now going onto your index finger, and let me know within 3 seconds when it is on. Now in the future, if you ever come into a challenging situation, or if you ever need to feel these states again, then you will just place your hand on your index finger and it will automatically trigger you to go back into the powerful positive states. Wonderful. Now let's test. Close your eyes and go out into the future now and imagine a situation where if it had happened in the past, the same situation would have dropped your state or affected you. And as it's affecting you, you now see yourself touching the ring and notice how positive and powerful you feel instead. Feel that feeling to its maximum intensity. And on the count of 3, you will come back to now and open your eyes. 1, coming back to now. 2, knowing you have this ring of power on your finger to touch and use at any time. And 3, come back to now and gently open your eyes.